Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a get ready with me for church and sharing with you guys my makeup routine. So starting off, I just have some of my skincare and then I put my hair up and I start off right after my lotion with concealer. I have the light 2 shade for concealer and for foundation. While I let my concealer set, I use my eyelash curler. Instead of just like doing it 2 times, then I do it like 6 times. And then I use my beauty blender and I get it wet, and then I do like the tapping method on my face. I try to avoid rubbing my face with it. I feel like that works better. Both my concealer and my foundation is from Young Living. I have the links in the description box below for you guys. And with my foundation, I use this foundation brush from Young Living as well. And I use my misting spray and spray it. And yes, it is actually spraying. And I like rub it in with my hand. And then I also use a like tapping, dabbing technique with this. I found that it works a lot better and doesn't smear the foundation on my face. Next, this is what it looks like right now, and then I just used my beauty blender underneath my eyes to make sure that the concealer was fully in. And then this is my bronzer, also by Young Living, with the bronzer brush. And I just do this around my face in like a 3 and an E formation on either side, and then I also go on each side of my nose as well. Then for my blush, it's also by Young Living. This is the Awestruck color, and I try to do this on like my high cheekbone area. And as you can see here, I kind of did more blush than I was intending to, but it's okay, we fixed it later. Then I did my eyebrows. All I do with this is just brush them, I don't apply any product. Today I went with this cute little outfit with a cardigan because it's a little chilly outside. I have this big blender brush. They call it the Veil brush because they have a product called Veil. It's like a powder, but I don't use the Veil, I just use the brush, and I kind of blend in my blush when I do too much. And then these are the 2 eyeshadow palettes that I'm using. They're both from Young Living. This is the Natural Quartz one, and I'm using the eyeshadow brush that they sell, and I'm putting on this like shimmery brown. And then I'm also doing this other color called Blessed, and it's like a light pinkish color, and I'm using that kind of as highlight in my eyeshadow. And then I also use that right in the middle of my eyes. And then I just blend that all in with the blender brush, and I'm also using my Sahara Desert eyeshadow palette with the white color in it. I can't remember what it's called. And then just this little angled brush that I have. And I put that on the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm just blending it all in with my blender brush again. I also just use my fingers to blend it because I put on a little bit too much. And then I'm using the Young Living mascara. It's the lengthening mascara, and I just try to blink into it. And then for my jewelry, I have 2 rings, these gold earrings, and then this necklace. And then this is my really cool bracelet that my sister gave me, and you can see kind of in here it has my sister and me as like a photo together, but it's really cute. And now we're going to move on to my hair. Before, after. First half done, we just have to do the second half. And then lastly, after I curl my hair, I run my fingers through it to try to get it to loosen up a little bit.